Hello folks, working on Flossie today, and gonna be making a swing away license plate bracket. So, got this really cool vintage license plate that I'm hoping to actually register for legalness for Flossie. But the problem is, this is the rear bumper, the slots are where the license plate bolts on. You can see how much it hangs down, and it's right in line with the rear tire. So as soon as I go over any rocks, the departure angle will come up and bend the plate back because it overhangs below this bumper. I don't want that happening, and I really don't want to have to pull the license plate off every time I go off-roading. So my plan is going to, on the back side of the plate, take some of this steel stock and kind of make a picture frame, top and bottom, and then I'll slice off and do sport there. Just make a box around the perimeter, and I might end up even just drilling into this and threading it so I can just bolt right through and hold it on. That'll be on the back side, and then weld a hinge to this that can bolt onto my rear bumper. So be against the rear bumper, say this is the bumper, be like that, come across the bump, this plate just goes like that. And I clear the rock, and I can complete the Rubicon Trail without destroying a vintage piece of history license plate. That's what I call finished fab right there, man. Got it throughout the time lapse that y'all enjoyed so much. We got those welded, ground down nice and smooth and clean. Holes drilled and tapped, so I can just run 1032 bolts right in there. Not have to be running nuts on the backside because that's so degrading. And got that nicely spot welded on there, the hinge. So the plan is to drop that down like that, run some bolts into the bumper, it'll be golden. Now we got it all bolted up here. Look how minty. Outside, you can't even tell. Flip it over. Ain't nothing penetrating or destroying the plate like that. Then hinge can flop down. I can bolt it right to the bumper. And that'll be legit. And that is robust. So I'm going to get it painted. I'll end up slicing off them bolts. But yeah, shot of black spray paint. It's going to be awesome. Mission successful. Got that all mounted up. 4 1032 bolts. And I made some quick rubber bushing type deals, just so when I tighten the screws it doesn't bend or scratch the plate. That was just an old bicycle inner tube cut down, and we got it quick bolted up to the rear bumper. No, it's not centered because I'm gonna have to drill new holes to center it because of the single hinge. But I'm going to be replacing the whole rear bumper, so I'll do that on the new bumper. This is just for testing purposes. From this side, you can't even tell anything is on the plate. Turn around there, and you can see it. And test run. Say this is a rock. The Jeep goes put 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 vroom vroom over a hillside, comes down, the departure angle, my hand's the rock. Another one. Oh, that was a big rock. Hit another one. Falls down. Another rock. Oh. Perfect. No bendage. No mess ups on the plate. And I have that all the way to the edge of the plate. So ain't nothing ever going to damage that plate. So I'd say that was a pretty good project and can be applied to any Willys Jeep. It's a good mod if you're going to be off-roading your Willys and don't want to destroy your license plate. So thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, really helps out the channel, and hit the like button, comment, and till I see you next time, y'all have fun and get her done. I'm gone.